In a quiet manger, under starlit skies, the King of Peace is born, where salvation lies. His light breaks the shadows, a new hope is near, a love everlasting, casting out all fear. O King of Peace, reign in our hearts, binding the broken, healing the scars. In your embrace, the weary find rest, your kingdom of love, eternally blessed. Through trials and storms, your voice calms the sea. You walk with the lost, setting captives free. Your grace overflowing, mercy unconfined, a beacon of hope for all humankind. Ooh, O King of Peace, reign in our hearts, binding the broken, healing the scars. In your embrace, the weary find rest, your kingdom of love, eternally blessed. Through trials and storms, your voice calms the sea. You walk with the lost, setting captives free. Your grace overflowing, mercy unconfined, a beacon of hope for all humankind. Hallelujah, the angels sing, glory to the eternal King. From the cradle to the throne, in your love, we're never alone. The King of Peace, forever divine, guiding us to a light that will shine. In the darkest nights, your promise remains. The King of Peace forever reigns.